Meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
It is a quiet evening across southeastern North Carolina. This is a live look in downtown Wilmington on our Stevenson Skyview camera network. You can't see through this camera, but boy, is it muggy and warm across the region. 80 degrees currently in Wilmington with those dew points well into the 70s. So the oppressive air mass is in full force around here. 78 degrees currently in Charlotte, Columbia, South Carolina, 82 degrees. Boone and Asheville checking in the mid 60s. That probably feels really refreshing right about now. So what we're watching is scattered showers and storms off to the west of us. Southeastern North Carolina is rain-free at this time, just abundant cloud cover overhead. You'll notice that as soon as you walk out the door tomorrow morning. And looks like we're going to be getting into an unsettled weather pattern over the next couple of days. We're in this strong south to southwest flow, streaming that Gulf moisture up through the East Coast and into the Carolinas. And what we're watching is a cold front out to our west, and that's going to be edging its way closer to us, but not passing all the way through the region. So a big change in our air mass is not in store. It doesn't look like we're going to get a relief from the humidity anytime soon. And it looks like that boundary will just enhance the risk for showers and storms as we go into the next couple of days. So let's get you through the evenings. It looks like overnight will be quiet starting out tomorrow morning. Could see a few coastal showers right along the beaches. So have that in mind. The umbrella is going to be handy from start to finish for our Tuesday. Scattered showers and storms. Not every single second of the day you are going to see rain. You'll see plenty of dry time in between, but it looks like it will be a hit or miss kind of day in terms of activity. Some of these showers that we see develop could have a lot of rain with it. Localized flooding definitely going to be a possibility. We'll be watching things closely, but severe weather threat is going to be at a low level, fortunately. Heading into Wednesday morning, more of the same. A lot of rain expected over the next couple of days. Once we get into late week, into the weekend, shower chances start to lessen a little bit, but will still remain a daily chance with us over the next 7 days. So mostly cloudy skies tonight. Couldn't rule out an isolated storm to get the day started. South wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Notice overnight lows really staying on the warm side in the mid 70s. And in the afternoon tomorrow, those high temperatures will be unseasonably cool. It will still feel warm and muggy out there, but these temperatures are actually a little bit lower than what we would typically be at for this time of year. Cloudy skies, rain and storm, southwest wind, a little breezy at times, 10 to 15 miles per hour. So if you're heading out to the beaches, not necessarily the best sunbathing weather, but if you want to go out for a walk or a run, you'll have some dry time tomorrow. 82 degrees and a moderate risk for east and south facing beaches for your rip current risk level. So have that in mind. It's going to be elevated for tomorrow. Things are heating up in the tropics. We are tracking two different systems. Tropical storm Brett, this is the second named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. As of 11 o'clock, winds are at 40 miles per hour sustained and moving west-northwest at 23 miles per hour. Notice it is down in South America, skirting along the Venezuela coast, so no impacts expected here in southeastern North Carolina. And then another one that we are watching, this looks like it's going to have impact to Louisiana, giving them a good soaking of rain. This is actually going to be named Cindy here very shortly, has a high percentage of tropical development. So we'll be watching those two things in the tropics, and fortunately everything looks like it's going to be staying away from us, and hopefully that stays the case for quite a while around here. It's supposed to be a pretty active season, but as long as they all stay away, that's okay by me.
So if you're going to Louisiana, be on the lookout, but if you're here, you're fine for now.
Sure, yeah. If you have any friends that are down there, make sure you are giving them a heads up for sure.
All right, awesome. All right.